far too many people today step into metal detecting with excitement, only to feel disappointed after a few minutes of constant false signals, shallow detection, or confusing controls. What should be an exciting hunt for coins, gold, and hidden relics often turns into frustration when the detector simply isn't accurate enough. The truth is, a quality metal detector doesn't just help you find metal, it helps you understand what's underground before you dig. Modern metal detectors are smarter, deeper, and more precise than ever before, using advanced DSP chips, waterproof coils, and intelligent target identification to completely change the experience. And before we dive into the best options available right now, make sure to use the links in the description because they will take you directly to the latest prices, deals, and discounts on Amazon for every detector we talk about. Now let's get started. We begin with a powerful and modern solution built for accuracy and versatility. The professional metal detector for adults with a 10-inch IP68 waterproof coil. This detector is designed for users who want serious performance without complicated setup. Thanks to its advanced DSP chip, it delivers fast signal processing and significantly reduces false alarms caused by trash metals. The pinpoint mode allows you to narrow down the exact location of targets, saving time and unnecessary digging. Its waterproof design makes it perfect for beach hunting, shallow water searches, riversides, and wet soil. The large LCD display clearly shows metal type, depth, and sensitivity settings, giving you confidence before every dig. Whether you're searching for gold, silver, or coins, this detector delivers reliable and consistent results across different terrains. Next up is another professional-grade metal detector built for deeper detection and wider coverage. The model featuring a large 12-inch IP68 waterproof search coil. This detector is ideal for those who want to scan more ground with each sweep while reaching deeper targets. With 5 detection modes, including a dedicated gold mode, it allows you to adapt quickly to beaches, open fields, relic sites, and mineralized soil. The backlit LCD screen ensures excellent visibility even during early morning or evening hunts. Powered by an upgraded DSP chip, it separates valuable metals from junk with impressive accuracy. If you're looking to level up your treasure hunting and explore deeper targets without investing in extremely expensive professional machines, this detector strikes a perfect balance. Moving on, we reach a true classic that has introduced countless people to metal detecting: the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4. Made in the USA, this detector is known for its rugged reliability and simplicity. It features 3 detection modes that allow users to focus on specific targets like coins, relics, or all metals. The 8-inch waterproof coil makes it suitable for wet ground and shallow water use, while the analog controls make operation incredibly straightforward. This detector doesn't overwhelm beginners with complicated menus, yet it still delivers solid depth and dependable performance. It's an excellent choice for families, kids, and adults who want a proven, easy-to-use detector that simply works. Stepping into a more advanced tier, the Garrett Ace 300 metal detector brings professional engineering into an approachable design. Also made in the USA, this detector is trusted worldwide for its accuracy and durability. The waterproof search coil allows for hunting near water, while the digital target ID system helps identify objects before digging. Garrett's signature audio tones provide clear feedback, helping users distinguish between coins, jewelry, and trash metals. The included headphones improve focus in noisy environments, making it easier to hear faint signals. For hobbyists who want more control, better depth, and improved target identification, the Ace 300 is a serious upgrade that delivers consistent performance in real-world conditions. Finally, we arrive at one of the most feature-rich detectors on this list: the SAKO BS Professional Metal Detector for Adults. This detector stands out with its ability to identify up to 9 different metal types, helping you make smarter digging decisions. The large 11-inch waterproof Double D coil offers impressive ground penetration, with detection depths reaching up to 12.8 inches. Its upgraded DSP chip enhances signal clarity while minimizing interference from surrounding minerals. The bright LCD screen displays all essential information clearly, including metal type, depth, and sensitivity levels. For users who want modern technology, deeper detection, and advanced accuracy without professional-level complexity, this detector offers exceptional value. Metal detecting is more than just a hobby. It's exploration, discovery, and adventure rolled into one. Whether you're searching beaches for lost jewelry, fields for old coins, or remote areas for hidden relics, the right metal detector can make all the difference. Each detector on this list offers unique strengths, from beginner-friendly simplicity to advanced depth and precision. If you're ready to upgrade your experience and start finding real results, check the links in the description for the latest Amazon deals. Prices change fast, and stock doesn't last forever. Choose the detector that fits your goals, grab your gear, and start uncovering what the ground has been hiding for years.